Okay, this is looking pretty good. The shapes are looking pretty nice. I think that it might be a little tricky when you go to rig to prevent these from intersecting each other because the topology is so different. Because, like, this line almost lines up with that, but this curved line, I can see imagine there'll be some issues with these two intersecting. So you might just want to add, like, another couple edge loops in there at least, just so that you have the detail to be able to get those not to intersect each other. Um, you should connect the hands and arms. Um, so let's just take a look here. Let's see. Display, heads up display, poly count. And you have 24 on the hand and 12 on the arm. So yeah, our work is cut out for us. So what we're going to do is combine, loop a bunch of these back on themselves. I'd probably add another loop here for that too. And then we'll just go through this process several times. So hopefully it'll be enough. Let's see. So you sort of cross over to here and here. Whoops. And you see it makes sort of two sides of an A, the letter A, and then you cross the A. So it looks like I've sort of drawn an A. And then you select these four edges. And I always think those edges look like a child's drawing of a house. And then you do shift right mouse click delete edge. And see, now I have two less. And let's continue that all the way around. So here to here. And so I'm crossing over to here. Enter. And just make sure those dots turn red before you click. Made the A, select the house, shift right mouse click delete edge. Okay. And so it makes everything's four-sided faces, and it makes these edge loops that kind of loop back on themselves. That kind of makes sense. Okay, so let's keep going around. I'm using the multi-cut tool, which is Control Shift X, to put in these edges. Shift right mouse click delete edge. Okay. Enter. Cross the A. Select the house. Shift right mouse click delete edge. Don't use the regular delete key or it'll leave verts behind. Use the delete edge command. Okay, just like, looks like we can do two more. I don't know if that's going to be enough. We'll see. Is that right? Okay. 12. Fabulous. Okay, now you can do a bridge. Shift right mouse click, bridge. Boom. And then you can, shape this a little bit more after it's all one seamless surface, but maybe get a little bit of sense of the bone here and some of the wrist shape and stuff. So pull some points around. Yeah, and I think you'll want to continue this leg shape down into an ankle and a foot. I would not combine these. I'm going to separate these. There's not really a good reason for those to be combined. But yeah, I would just continue extruding down and then expand out into kind of a foot shape to fill in that shoe here. Excuse me. Yeah, but other than that, this is looking good.